Hello you guys, it's Preet. You're watching Toys and Treats. I'm back with a new video guys. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and review the Hot Wheels RC Tesla Cybertruck and also will do a test drive to see how good it is. This is a 1:64 scale remote control car and is fast and is very fun to play with. It is very fast, it can also drift. But before that, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more. Now let's unbox it, but let's take a look at the box first. Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck, ages 5 plus. It has a 2.4 GHz control rate. This is the back of the box. It shows here that it can be played on tracks as well as on the floor. The charger is inbuilt in the controller and it also has a turbo mode. Now let's unbox it. It comes with the car, a controller and a track connector. Now let's review each of them. First up, this is the RC car, Tesla Cybertruck. This here is just plastic. The side looks fantastic. The front pair of wheels are made out of plastic. The rear wheels are made out of rubber. This is the charging point and this is the on-off switch. This is the front of it and this is the back of it. As you can see, only the rear wheels can be controlled. The wheels at the front are not connected to the motor. This is the controller. This joystick is used to move front and back, and this is to move sideways. This is the alignment control button, right alignment and left alignment. This is the on-off switch. Hold it to on and again hold it to off. This is the turbo or the speed boost button. It gives a huge burst of speed to the car. And at the back is the battery tray and the charger. It takes 4 AA batteries to work. The charger is inbuilt and cannot be removed. Once the controller is connected to the car, the red light will stop blinking. To charge it, connect it to the car. And when the blinking red light goes off, it is completely charged. You need to off the car and charge it. And lastly, this is the track connector. It can be connected to other tracks, just as shown. It has a wider entry area which is meant for the Cybertruck. Now let's test drive it. Test driving it on the track. As you can see, it is very fast. Now driving it backwards. It can also drive in reverse very well. It is very easy to control and is smooth. Now let's drive it on the floor. Most of the time it just skids on the floor. It just goes crazy on the floor.
This is Elon Musk, Tesla's co-founder and CEO.
Now let's drift test it. It does drift, but it is harder to control. It takes practice to make it drift. It is very fun and enjoyable to play with. Also, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So this was the unboxing for the Hot Wheels RC Tesla Cybertruck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Also, let me know your thoughts on this RC car in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.